Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Streamlabs OBS so you can get started with your first stream. It can be quite scary when you load up Streamlabs OBS for the first time because everything looks quite overwhelming. So I hope this tutorial will make it easy for you to get started with your first stream. When you open up Streamlabs OBS for the first time, it's going to ask you to connect. So I'm going to go ahead and connect with my Twitch account. Okay, close your eyes so I can type in my password. Just kidding. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on Authorize. Awesome. Okay, at this point, your screen might look a bit different from mine because I have already set it up on a different computer. But I'm going to go ahead and click on Continue. Okay, so now we are going to add widgets to your stream window. So we're going to add all the essentials. Alert box, event list, click on add a widget, and then click on the jar, and then click on add widget. Now you don't really have to add those if you don't want to. So we're just going to go follow the basic tutorial and select the essentials as recommended. Alright, and then I also like to add the checkbox. So I'm going to go ahead and check that. And then click on add widget. Then we're going to click on add 4 widgets. And now it's going to optimize it. We'll go ahead and just say start. Once it's done, go ahead and click on next. And now this is the fun part and also the slightly kind of overwhelming part. Okay, we're going to look at this area. This is the sources. And what you want to do is you see all the 4 widgets that we selected earlier. We are going to click on add. And then that's going to open up this list with a lot of cool things, such as game capture, audio input capture, video capture device, and things like that. We are going to click on game capture. If you want to add a video, then you can click on video capture device. But for this tutorial, I'll be adding the game capture only. Then click on add. You can title if you want, otherwise just click on done. And here, it's going to ask you how you want to capture this. You can either choose to capture any full screen application, or what I like to do is I like to capture a specific window. So for this part, I'm going to need to load up a game first. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and load up Minecraft. Okay, now I have Minecraft loaded up. Now we're going to come back here and open up the property, and we're going to capture Minecraft, which is going to be this one, Minecraft 1.13. You don't want to select Minecraft launcher because that will only activate if you have Minecraft launching. So make sure you select the right program. So select that, and then you can make any other adjustments if you need it. Otherwise, click on done. And now my Minecraft is not full screen yet. That's why you only see that it's taking out only this part of the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and full screen it. And then I'll tap to go back to my recording software. In Streamlabs OBS, you can see my game now. Before we can either start recording or go live, here's one thing I want to double check. Make sure right here, the game capture, make sure it's at the bottom of the list. Because when it's at the top, it covers everything. And now you can see that little jar, because the jar it's laying on top of the game capture now. So tip number 1 is to make sure that your game capture is at the button. Tip number 2, when you press the record button, it's going to say something like set path, settings, and then output. Now that is just a tip, that's not an error message. So if you want to record, all I need to do is click on record button. You see that red outline. And then if I want to stop recording, all I need to do is press that red button again. And that's it, that stops the recording. So when you hover over that, it's not an error message, that's just a tip. Okay, and then if you click on go live, you are going to go live. Since I'm just doing tutorial, I'll not click on that. So yeah, you have the option of either go live and stream your game or just record locally, whichever you want. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye!